So one of the most common questions we receive from homeowners when we're in their home and discussing their roofing options is they ask, how can my new roof lower my insurance premiums? A lot of insurance carriers would like you to have a hail impact resistant roof that is graded to be at least class 3 and even class 4. Class 4 is more hail resistant than a class 3 shingle. And you usually either have to be a 3 or a 4. If you're below that, you don't receive any discount from your carrier. So a class 4 may get you a little bit higher of a discount versus a class 3 shingle versus a class 2 shingle, which gets you nothing. So usually it's very simple. What I advise our homeowners to do, pick up the phone, call your agent. What is the premium discount I will receive if I install a class 3 or a class 4 shingle? They'll give you those prices, or they might say, sorry, we don't do that. We only give a new roof discount. And then it's quick math. If you're saving $1,000 a year on your annual premium by installing a class 4 shingle, and it's $2,000 for the class 4 upgrade, you could say, hey, I'm gonna be here for at least 5 years. If I spend $2,000 today, I'll break even in 2 years, and I'll actually save $3,000 in additional dollars from years 2 to 5. So that makes a lot of sense to do. The numbers could be opposite. It may not be the best decision, but you just have to call your agent. If you need to get your roof replaced and you're wondering what the price differences are between the varying levels of impact resistant shingles, give Rhoden Roofing a call today, and we're more than happy to give you a free estimate.